to the channel. Today, we will explore the Tokyo Station Hotel located in Tokyo, Japan. Our journey will commence at Narita Airport, where we will board a bus that will transport us to our hotel. We purchased our tickets upon exiting immigration would have noticed the bus counters. It was straightforward to access the bus. The bus was direct, and it dropped us off at Tokyo Station. We now need to navigate the intricate layout of Tokyo Station to reach our destination, which is located on the opposite side of the building. However, I will provide a glimpse of the interior of Tokyo Station. We will proceed to the hotel's interior, where we will be captivated by its beauty. We will explore the room, its view, and the delectable breakfast buffet. Upon entering the hotel, the entrance is currently unoccupied, as it is early morning. Our room is located on the 3rd floor. The hotel features several restaurants, and we intend to visit one on our way to our room. The hotel comprises 4 floors. At the conclusion of the video, I will guide you to the 4th floor, where you will be able to witness the breakfast buffet, which offers a diverse selection of Western and Japanese cuisine. Here's one of the hotel's restaurants. But let's hop in the elevator to get to the room you're waiting to see. We'll make a quick stop on our way to the room so you can see the beautiful Tokyo Station Dome. The hotel history. It's over 100 years old. Back in 2006, it closed for some serious preservation and restoration. And then in 2012, it had a grand reopening as the Tokyo Station Hotel. Now, without further ado, let's head to our room. We had to double-check the exit, or we might ended up walking in circles. We even met a couple who were in the same situation. We're finally here. like the room. And the attention was amazing. The staff made our stay memorable. Our room has plenty of space for us to move around. Now, let's go to the bathroom. You can see it has a tub and a shower. Here, we have more than enough amenities. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. And now we know why everyone was always talking about the toilets in Japan. I really need to get one for my home. Here's the safe. A flashlight in case of an emergency, and our pajamas, which were very comfortable. Here, we have the outside view at night, which is gorgeous. Okay, so it's the next day. And how about we grab some breakfast on the 4th floor? Say, the food was absolutely delicious, and there was so much to pick from.